Hello, everyone, and welcome to Back to School Night. My name is Miss Hadfield, and I am teaching your son or daughter this year in Honors U.S. History. Just a little bit about me. So, as I said before, I'm Miss Hadfield. I have been teaching at Woodson for 6 years. I've been in the county for 7. I currently teach Honors U.S. History and Sociology. I recently got a master's in blended and online learning from George Mason University. My email is up on the screen. Please feel free to reach out to me if you ever have any questions. Email is always the best way to get in touch with me. Welcome to Honors U.S. History. This year we started with Indigenous peoples, and we're going to go up through the election of President Obama. This is an honors course, so a lot of times parents will ask, well, what makes it an honors course? And a lot of it has to do with the types of sources that we use in this course. We go beyond just the textbook resources. We do a lot of skills-based things. We look at articles from databases and archives, so really looking at how can we find good sources, how can we differentiate between primary and secondary sources. There's a heavy emphasis on document analysis, so rather than just kind of going through and learning the names and the dates and the places, we're focusing on the skills on how to acquire that information and also how to form good arguments. So skills is a huge focus at the honors level. And we're focusing on really gaining the skills that are needed to go forward in whatever area they choose to go forward into. So that's a big part of the honors level course. The way class will look, class is very student driven, it's going to be active engagement. Students are going to come in and get onto their laptops, and they're going to have an activity that they are working on. And they will be very engaged in what they are learning. It is not a course where they are going to be able to passively sit back and listen. It will be a course where they will be participating. This could be through debates. This could be through research. The kids are currently working on a research project where they came up with questions and they're researching them, and then they're creating a project to show their research. This could be primary source analysis. This could be simulations. This could be discussions, any of those things. There will be occasionally brief homework assignments. Typically, I use the homework assignments for the kids to get background for content background for some of the things that we will be discussing in class. So the homework assignments will be essential for the things that we're doing in class. But they will be really basic, and the more in-depth things is what we will be doing in class. As far as the syllabus goes and policies, the syllabus can be found in Schoology in the course information folder. So if you go into Schoology, there's a folder within the materials section that says course information. The syllabus can be found there. The grade breakdown I've posted on the screen. Homework is 10%, classwork is 40%, and assessments are 50%. So assessments includes anything that is a major assessment at the end of a unit. So this could be a project. So for this first unit, the kids are working on a project. This could be a quiz, anything that is an assessment. Late work will be accepted with a 10% deduction up through the end of that unit. So I always encourage kids. I know things come up and your schedules get busy, and sometimes for whatever reason you're unable to get something in on time. I still want the kids to go back and work on those assignments and learn the material. So I will always accept late work just with a 10% deduction. If you have any questions about anything I've gone over in this presentation, or you want to give me information about your student, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. I have my email up on the screen. That is typically the easiest way to reach out to me. I try and get back to you in about 1 to 2 school days so that I can answer your questions or respond to you. In addition, if you ever have questions about what the students are doing in class, every day I will make a post in Schoology, and it will have the class period and the date, so that students always know what they're missing, and so you can see what's going on. So thank you for watching. Again, if you have any questions, please send me an email, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thank you.